Hi, my name is Fernanda and I will answer the question 1. The digital tools that we use the Google Forms for the results of the questions that we have, the Excel to have the results that we have of the temperatures, and we use Tinkercad for the prototype that we made. Now I will answer that question 2. I think that the difficulties that these tools have are that some of these are new for me, like the Google Forms. I don't know how to use it, but I already know. And the Excel, I have complications to have the results because they are difficult to have them because there are too many codes and too many processes to have them. And I think that with Tinkercad, I don't have any difficulties because I already use it. We use it in middle school.
My name is Melinda Giselle Solis Chavez from the group 127. Which technological or digital tools do you use to carry out the project? For this project, I use the digital tools Word, Sway, Tinkercad, and Excel. What benefits and difficulties did you face when using these tools? Well, using Tinkercad, Excel, and Word brought several benefits. Like Sway made it easy to present information, Tinkercad helped creating 3D models, Excel was useful for organizing data, Word helped me write reports and clearly and format information. However, I had some difficulties with these digital tools. Tinkercad required precision and sometimes it was difficult to model exactly what I wanted. Sway had limited customization options, which sometimes made it hard to design the presentation the way I imagined it. Excel could be difficult when working with formulas or graphs. How did it help the development of the process of the STEAM project from the perspective of the learning unit involved? It plays an essential role in the development of the STEAM projects because they allow each learning unit to work more efficiently and collaboratively. They help with research, providing quick access to reliable information, support the creation of digital models in the design phase, and also make it easy to record and analyze the data during experimentation. It's also improved communication and organization among the learning units.
Hi, my name is Andres Segovia. I'm from team number 8, and today I'm going to answer to the tip questions from the STEM project. Well, our first question is, which technological tools we use? Well, we mostly use Sway, Tinkercad, Canva, Word, and Excel. Well, our next question is, which were the benefits and difficulties while using these technical tools? Where there will mostly doing the Excel and doing the Sway, because Sway I really never have used Sway, and Excel, but it was really difficult to use all the formulas. Well, and our final question is, how did the ICTs help in the development of process of the STEAM project from the perspective of LUs involved? Well, it must help us to...
Hello, my name is Carla. I am from the group 127 and my roll number is 40. The first question is, which technological or digital tool did you use to carry out the project? We use tools such as Canva, Sway, Word, and we use Tinkercad to create our 3D prototype. We also use our phones and computers to research the information and communicate us. The second question is, what benefits and difficulties do you face when using these tools? One benefit was the digital tools help us work faster and collaborate from different places. They also made the design process easier. However, we faced difficulties such as slow internet, problems saving files, and learning how to use the programs. The third question is, how did it take help in the development process of the STEM project from the perspective of the those involved? They'll help us connect the concept we learn in different learning units. For example, in PATS, we applied research. In technology, we use digital programs to design, and in math, we use calculations to make our prototype. These make it easier to integrate all these areas and complete our project.
Hello, my name is Leah. We use Sway and Word to do presentations and Tinkercad to do a digital prototype. I see more difficult because I didn't know how to use Sway, and this semester was my first time using Tinkercad. The subject helped me to learn how to use different apps like Google Forms and, how I already say, Tinkercad and Sway.